In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run GLM 5.2 for free using the Databricks API and the Opencode. So the process is pretty simple and can get also complicated as well. So make sure you follow this video very carefully, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to run GLM 5.2 for free using Opencode. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to come to this website, databricks.com, and you need to sign up, and then you'll be taken to this Databricks dashboard. And in here, what you need to do is you need to scroll down till you see this AI gateway, and then you can see the list of all the models that we have in the Databricks. You can see we have GPT 5.6 Luna, GLM 5.2, Claude Opus 4.8, but not all of them work, so don't get too excited. But GLM 5.2 that we are interested in this video is currently working by the time I'm recording this. So to check it, what you can do is you can come here and click on this try in browser and click on send request. Always do this before following this video. Maybe this method is not working by the time you see this. And you can see I get the response back. This means that the model is currently available on Databricks and we can use it. Now to configure this with Opencode, what we need to do is we can go to our terminal. In here, the first thing you should have is the Opencode, and if it's not installed, you can see my previous video, or you can come here on this website and simply copy this command from here, from the opencode.ai website, and go back to your terminal and paste the command right in here and hit enter. This should install the Opencode for you. After that's done, you simply need to do one thing first. You need to go do cd tilde/.config, just like this. And here you'll do the ls, and you can see we have the Opencode right here. So I'm going to do cd opencode and again ls, and you can see we have a lot of files here, and you need to look for this opencode.json. If this file is not available in your folder, you can simply create it. I'm just going to open it up with the Visual Studio Code. So I'm just going to do code opencode.json. This will open this opencode.json file in my Visual Studio Code. But if you want to do it in other way, you can do it. And this is how this file looks like. Now here we need to configure the settings that we will get from the Databricks. So the first thing that we need is the base URL. Simply copy all of this from here all the way to this v1 and come here, and in the base URL, paste it just like this. And for the name, you can name it anything. I'm just naming it Databricks 2 because I have already configured it. So I'm just going to put 2, but you can name it Databricks or anything that you like. And then I'm going to copy this model ID from here and going to paste it just right here. And we are going to name it GLM 5.2, just like this. Now I'll save this file. If you can't see the file and you want to create a new file, then you can find all of this schema down in the description box. Go ahead and check that out. The file will be there. Then you can simply copy the code from the file and paste it in your file. Now save the file. Now we need to go back to terminal and say Opencode to open the TUI. Now you can see here I have the Opencode. Here I can do /connect and search for the name that we gave to our provider, which was Databricks 2 in my case. And then I can go back to the Databricks and click on this generate access token. Go back here, paste it right in, hit enter. Now you can see it gives me the model that is available to me, which we configured in that JSON file. Let's just select it and let's say hello. And you can see we get the response back. Hey, what can I help you with? So yeah, this is it. This is how you can use the GLM 5.2 using Opencode and Databricks for free. But one thing you need to keep in mind is that this is not unlimited. It has some free trial restrictions, but hey, it's free. So make use of it until it lasts. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.